Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have a 2021 Ford Raptor with the Hennessey Velociraptor 600 package. It also has the Stage 1 upgrades and the big performance brake kit that was upgraded as well at Hennessey. We do have the paperwork for all that. It was done when the truck was basically new. We sold this truck about a year ago to our client, and we have the great opportunity to sell it again here. And it also has the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Hennessey that's still intact. Plenty of time left on that. It's a beautiful truck. The Raptor itself has every option. It's got the 360 cameras and backup assist and hot cold seats and pano roof. The power running boards were added at Hennessey as part of that Stage 1 package, which comes with the front and rear bumpers, Hennessey wheels, 35-inch tires, the lift kit, and then the 600 package gives you all the engine upgrades, management system, and then of course the brakes. It was a little over $43,000 package new to add that. Serial number 15 on this truck. We do have both remote key fobs, all the books, window sticker. Gorgeous truck. It sounds awesome. Adaptive cruise control. It's got all the settings on the steering wheel. You can change suspension, dampening, you can change steering, you can change exhaust settings all through the steering wheel. It does have a Rhino liner in the bed as well. Lots of meat left on these tires. This truck has 13,000 miles on it. Non-smoker, clean Carfax, one owner. Very, very nice in here. Panoramic sunroof. Got our boards down here. Take a look inside. It's got Bang & Olufsen sound system. Really no wear and tear on this truck. Seats look great, the bolsters look nice. Got 33,000 miles right there. There's our lane departure, adaptive cruise. There's all of our settings, steering, suspension, exhaust. 21 was when they upgraded to the bigger screen here. And the shift assembly, it folds down if you want it. No wear on the console there. Got speakers in the headrests. Really awesome truck. This is the daddy of Raptors right here. No paint work. All services have been done on time. Can't ask for a more perfect truck. Give us a call, text, email. Always respond quickly. Very easy to get a hold of. Doing deals with us is very, very easy. It's no hassle. Can help you transport anywhere lower 48. Hope to hear from you soon.